how do you make your device left or right-handed? It's pretty simple. You go into menu, you go into settings, you go into accessibility. You have left-handed, right-handed, normal and large. So let's have a look at we're on right-handed. So let me show you first of all what the right-handed means that the menu's on the left hand. They're assuming that if you're right-handed, you want to reach across and press the menu this way, okay? Now, let's hop out of there. Let's go back here to settings and go to accessibility. Now, if we select left-handed, we press back, takes us to our main menu. We press this document again. Now you can see that for left-handed, they're assuming that you want to reach across and select your menu that way. So you can choose which you prefer by having that option: settings, accessibility, left or right-handed. Press back and then it will adjust as you use your device.